Start. Para. Honorable Chairperson, Sir, I am here to speak on the supplementary demands for grants for 2024-25 on behalf of the TDP. I have seen that the actual cash flow of rupees 44,000 crore is less than 1% of the overall budget. By any count, I would say that this is good planning. Leading on organization myself, I have often found that in the middle of the year we deviate more than 1%. So I would like to acknowledge and appreciate that in regard to some points spoken by the opposition in terms of the growth, on inflation and on the manufacturing sector, I think there seems to be a heroic a lot more than a call for action. It is because on one hand we say that inflation should not grow, but on the other hand we are saying that the repo rate also should not be cut down. I would request the government to cut down the repo rate to start the manufacturing sector and increase its growth, which would overall lead to the growth of the Indian economy. It is much needed and I would definitely ask for that. Para. In this batch of supplementary demands for grants, I would like to speak about some specific points, in particular for the Ministry of Steel. I would like to acknowledge and thank the Finance Minister and the Prime Minister for allocating rupees 1,000 crores of funds to revive the steel plant. I am very happy to state that from the verge of almost being shut down with only one furnace running, now there are two furnaces running at more than 100% rated capacity over the last 2 months. With the continued support of the government, I am sure that all three furnaces will be running and we will be able to take care of the salaries of all the staff members. Full stop. Para. The second thing that I would like to bring up is the footwear industry. I have a peculiar problem. Sir, I have a foot condition which requires a certain kind of footwear. I was searching for it in India, but I could not find it. I had to go to Germany, and a friend of mine got a cast made for me, and I got that footwear. That is what I am wearing right now. But when I went to the Standing Committee on Commerce, I realized that there is a footwear design and development institute under the Commerce Ministry. With the support of the Honorable Minister, I went and visited the institute, and I was very happy to see the kind of research that is happening over there. Most of India does not even know about the research that is happening. So I request the Finance Minister to consider this footwear industry and the Footwear Design and Development Institute to really proliferate its activities to the entire nation, because the footwear industry is not very concentrated today. It is quite disorganized. Stop.